Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Shiba Inu. Have done one on the 8th of January. I gave you a target area in blue and we've now reached the target area here a few days ago. So just wanted to cover that and cover if we can expect further downside. So this is an elite wave analysis. We covered, or I started to cover Shiba Inu on its crazy move up here. When we were here at around the wave 3, I told you that what we can expect possibly from Shiba Inu is maximum a 2x or maybe a 3x. I think that was really accurate with regards to where Shiba Inu then did go to. After that, of course, I said, we can expect a correction and that the price could come down sort of below that wave 3 somewhere in a range somewhere below the wave 3. And I think we are pretty much there now. So pretty much that has been very accurate and hopefully helped some of you. And we have now come into this target area, did a deep dive into the target area. And from here, we can, at some point, in my view now, expect a move up. We should at least. This doesn't mean it couldn't drop lower, but the likelihood that we have a good chance to turn around here is fairly high. This is sitting between the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement level and the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. I count this as the major large, or the first large wave 1 for Shiba Inu. This is a wave 2, and in such a wave 2, typically the price would come down into this price area. So this is typically what altcoins do in such a sell-off, and especially in a wave 2. Yeah, it comes down quite far. We've obviously, after we've hit here this wave 5, we've done an ABC correction. I think we're close to the wave C. I think Bitcoin can expect another sell-off. So I would expect Shiba Inu to sell off more as well. But I think we have a lot of scope and space to maximize this, the lower support here of this target area. That would give us a price of 1461 roughly, yeah. This would basically be the 0.887 Fib level. We've broken below the 200-day moving average that you can see here as yellow line. And we've already seen a reaction here to this target area, but we haven't yet managed to get out of it. Yeah. So basically, what was support before this Fibonacci level, to be honest, it has only been tested here as support before, but it now acts as resistance, pretty much as expected. Because when you go into such a target area between two Fib levels, you expect that previous Fib level to act as resistance. And yeah, I would expect personally, looking at also the Bitcoin chart, another move down, and the fact that we haven't come out here yet and that there is it was a strong reaction to that Fib level on the upside as well. I would expect a little bit more of a downturn, especially as we look at how the price did come into it. So what I would love to see at a minimum is a bullish divergence on the daily RSI. Now we can't see that yet, and also a momentum change on the MACD on the daily. Again, we can't see that yet. If I look at the 4-day chart as well, there is still downside momentum here on the MACD. The 4-day chart is quite relevant, and also downward potential here further on the 4-day RSI. We would need to get lower, in my view, to complete that sell-off. I mean, technically it's done what it needs to do, don't get me wrong. Technically it's there where it needs to be, but it now needs to build that buying momentum. It has a good chance to do that from here. But it also depends, obviously, to a degree on Bitcoin. It's done what it needs to do, but now if Bitcoin turns around, but I think it doesn't do it yet, then I think Shiba Inu can move up as well. Overall, on the weekly as well, there is much more downside potential possible. So a very, very key support here is that 1461 level. If we lose that, I think we can drop quite a lot. Yeah, we can drop quite a lot. I think then you've got some support here at pretty much... I don't even know how to call that number, but you got your 5 zeros or pretty much 1,000. Yeah, let's call it 1,000. That's where we could find some support there. But overall, if we turn here around, if we reverse from here, then I think the next wave up, and when that's going to be, I can't tell you. I would expect that correction to be finished towards the end of Q1, at some point in Q1 personally, and then in Q2 we could possibly move here to new highs. I would expect new highs to reach a range here around, looking at what Shiba Inu has done before, possibly here in the range of the 1.618 Fib level to the 2.618 Fib level, which would be a maximum of here 22518 up there. That would be quite a bit of an increase, and if we from where we are now, that would be a pretty much 10x roughly to the maximum. And a minimum, I would say the 1.618, that would be a 5x. And that's my current view on Shiba Inu. So far, all price forecasts have been met, and let's see if the next one will be achieved as well. Hopefully you liked that video about Shiba Inu. If you did, please smash the like button and also subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.